You've probably noticed by now, but Catherine's not a huge fan of talking at all.
I'm a bit shy.
So she's not normally shy, but on stage, she won't talk at all. Castle Dugan is a fairly well-known song from Ireland. It's a Sean-Nós song, and there's a different version of it in all of the Gaeltachts. So there'll be a different version in Donegal, Kerry, Galway. That there, yeah. Sheila down there probably knows the Donegal version. We just did the Connemara version there, the Galway version. So it's a well-known love song. It's a lot nicer than a lot of our love songs. There's no violence in this one, though whoever is writing it does want the person to be totally and utterly in love with them in front of absolutely everyone, and it not to be a secret love. So it's a lot nicer than the ones we were singing earlier, where they were threatening to kill people.
Ain't on a happy note. Well, Carter, hash in your tea.